And I would do a video on hair when I'm having a bad hair day. Hey everyone, welcome back to the makeup chair. Today I want to share with you guys 3 hair tools that I swear by. These are 3 tools that I would repurchase tomorrow if it broke. And I've had a lot of different things break on me, but usually I just buy something different. But these are 3 things that I would just repurchase straight off the bat. They are so good and I use them all the time. Because of my problem with my thyroid, my hair has been really tricky. I've been having some like texture change and stuff, and my hair feels a lot thinner as well. These products make me feel more confident in myself because I feel like I can kind of somewhat get a style, even though, to be honest, I still struggle. But these products do give my hair a really nice shine or a nice kind of shape. So I wanted to share with you guys what they are. So let's get started with this baby. So I'll turn this on and show you guys how it works. It is the Babyliss Super Curler or something like that. I'll put the real name here. So you grab a piece of hair, make sure it's brushed out because if it's knotty, it'll get wrecked. You want to place it in there just like that with the end hanging out. Close it and it'll suck the hair in. It'll start beeping. Once it does that weird triple beepy thing, take it out and you got a perfect curl. For anybody who cannot get curls to stay in their hair, this is what you need. And also if you're terrible at curling your hair, this is what you need, because literally the curls always turn out perfect because the machine does it all for you. It is the best thing ever. I mostly just curl the bottom. I kind of just leave it kind of straight almost and then just have a nice little wave at the bottom. Have I ever got my hair caught in it? Yes. A little trick if you do get your hair caught in it, open it as wide as I can, grab the hair here, and I'll just gently keep doing this just to pull it out. You don't want to pull like this because that will just wrap the hair around this tighter. I have seen people have to take this apart and cut their hair. Make sure your hair is brushed, make sure there's no products in it, and don't put too much hair in there either, because if you do put too much hair in, this is a demo, like this, it'll literally spit your hair out anyway. See, it's a little caught now, so what I'll do is I'll just go like that and it'll come out. Hands down, one of the best tools ever, and anytime I show this to people, they're like, I need to get this. I'm like, yes, you do. This is also by Babyliss. The Big Hair by Babyliss. There's lots of different brands that have this. I've seen better ones, but just in general, this sort of machinery is really good, especially if you have bangs like I do. So it's basically like a hairdryer and hairbrush in one. It has these buttons here where you can like twist it. So I'll turn it on. It's a little loud because it's a hairdryer technically. What you do basically is you place the hair in there, and when you turn it on, it'll start to rotate, and the rotation basically gives you that sort of bouncy hairdresser thingy that they do, you know, with the blow dryer and all the hairbrushes and all that kind of stuff. Basically does the same thing. Put that in there, especially for my bangs, because it gives them a little bit of shape, even though, to be honest, they just need to be cut at the moment. It really helps to give you that kind of bouncy look. I don't ever get to go to the hairdressers. I go to the hairdressers like once a year. That's how bad I am. But this gives me that kind of salon look at home. You have to make sure your hair is pretty dry in order to use it though. That's the kind of only downside. But I tend to let my hair dry overnight. So when I wake up in the morning, it'll still be sometimes a little bit damp. Film me on Instagram, you can see my hair is like in the morning, like it's still wet usually. It's great if the ends of your hair perhaps need a little bit of a trim, because it'll give you that smooth shiny look and sort of fake it for a little longer. And if you're like me and you put off getting your hair cut like once a year, then you'll probably like this. And another way that you can use this is to pop in a roller as well. So use this on a section and then pop the section still warm into one of these cheap rollers. You can buy them in pennies and leave them in, and you basically get that salon look. Honestly, try it. Try it, it's awesome. But this is the best thing in the world. This gives my hair a shiny look no matter how bad and split-ended my hair is. Is that a word? It just makes it look glossy and shiny. It is a steam pod.
So it uses steam.
Put water in this thing, and then you click this thing in, and this is your little pod, and then one wire's to plug in, and then this wire goes to the hair straightener, and it takes the steam and steams your hair. Basically steams your hair as it straightens or curls it. I actually use it curling it, which is a little tricky, but you basically like put the hair in and you twist all the way down as you're going down the hair. You can get this beautiful shiny finish, really bouncy, looks incredible, looks like you have it done by a professional. Seriously, and everybody can use this. I taught my dad to use this on my mom's hair. They were going away and she wanted to take this with her because she wanted her hair to be nice for a special occasion. So I taught my dad how to use it, and he's like, oh, this is really easy. I've had it for going on 3 years now, maybe 4. The only downside is when you put water in this little lid part does not stay closed. So I had to use electrical tape, which actually has worked out pretty well. But this was constantly opening. It was getting spilt everywhere, all over my floor. It looks terrible, but it does the job. But that is it. Those are 3 of my favorites. I'd love to hear what some of your favorites are as well, if you have anything that you think I should try. But I really would recommend these. If I had to pick one, would probably be the Steam Pod. The Steam Pod is my go-to. Anytime I've ever used it on other people, they love it. They cannot believe their hair. They cannot believe how their hair looks. The shine, the color, best thing ever. Try it, and I'll see you guys in my next one.